Okay, now that we're here, we're going to go through each step. So which affiliate platform to use, the Access Worldwide Affiliates, how to sign up, and also where and how to promote your affiliate links, the best free traffic source to maximize earning. That's my best. So hold on. So let's go to 𝗵𝗍𝗀. All you need to do is type in 𝗵𝗍𝗀.com and it will take you there. Once you go there, and the reason I chose this because it allows people globally to join, and firstly, and secondly, they have a vast amount of products that you can promote as an affiliate and make some money as well. So what we need to do now is click on the Start for Free button. Once we've done that, we come to this, and here we put in all our details. Once you've done that, once you've registered, click on just go here. You'll receive an email with your password and all this stuff. Once you get this, put in your details and log in. Now, once you log in, you'll get to this page. This page is about setting up your payment. You need to set up your payment. So you may need to have PayPal or Stripe or any other Blue Snap, 𝗵𝗍𝗀, 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲, and so forth. So you need to configure your payment. Once you've done that, click the green next button, and this is your dashboard. Now, to find products, go to affiliates and then click on find products, and here you'll find loads of products that are there. So but if you want something specific, like in the health niche, type in recipe and then search, you'll find lots of products there that you can promote. So like the PLR, keto recipe, diet recipe. And if you want request, just click on request, and you'll come to this page. Once you come to this page, fill in this and then make sure that you fill this in and click on this and that, and then click on request approval. It may take a little bit of time. They will email you with the request. Once you get this email, you are now ready to go. So once you get this email, you are ready to start promoting. You've got your affiliate link here. You can get, it says here, you can get your affiliate link here. So once you get there, go to find products, approved products, and then this is the product that you're going to promote. Click on the green button, get link. Once you get this link, copy this link. Okay, you may want to put it somewhere safe, and then I'm going to show you step 2, where and how to promote your affiliate program. So it's called, this software app called is Linktree. Go there if you haven't got an account. Click here, put in your details, your username. I'm going to do that and I'm going to come back to you. So once you've done that, make sure that you click on this. Don't worry about that. It's just put the things that you like and make sure you click on that. Once you've done that, click on that. I'm not a robot, and then save details and click on that. Once you've done that, save details, go and choose the free account. Now you are signed up. Now what you need to do is add a link. Click on the purple button, add new link. Click on this and then type in your affiliate link here. As you can see, you type in right here. Once you've done that, now you need to put a nice little title. Now make sure that you put a nice title so that people know what they're getting. So when you're promoting it, it makes it much easier. Your message is very clear as well. So once you've done that, brilliant. Now, as you can see on your right hand side, this is how it's going to look once your link is ready. Now you are ready to do that, and this is your link here as well. So now what I'm going to show you is how to get free traffic. Now that we're here on TikTok, and I believe this is the best source of getting free organic traffic. Now, TikTok, if you can do it rightly and if you can target the right audience with your right content, you can drive a lot of traffic to your link that we set up. Now we're in step 4 now. Well done that you've made it so far. I'm going to try to make it very quick so you understand. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's easy to sign up. I'm not going to show you how to do this in this video due to time constraint and as well. But what you need to do, since we chose keto, we're going to type in keto on the search bar and see what comes up. Now we're going to go through some simple accounts. Now look at these accounts. You're going to create an account based on your niche. Now this as you can see, simple.keto.recipes, right? Okay, now you can see they've got, they're saying sharing the best keto recipes, get your free keto cookbook. They've got a link here. Now this link will take to their website. Okay, so where is it? Here. Okay, click on this. Let's quickly look at what they have. And okay, similar to what we set up, it's going to go to the link tree. This one is by Igly or Jiggly, something like that. Anyway, this is the whole purpose. So what you're going to do is create content relevant to your niche. And how you're going to get this content? You can get this content from YouTube and just use Canva to make sure that it's TikTok sizes. Now, this is, I can't stress the importance of you doing this. It's simple. You set it up, you add a link here, and every time people watch it, and if people are interested, they'll go and get your recipe. If you have a recipe book, or if you're promoting your recipe book. So that's it, people. This is it. This is the way to do it. So we covered the whole 4-step process that you need to do. It's easy as anything. You don't need any money, you don't need any cash. You can start right now. Okay, so that's what it is. You can see number of stuff here, and a lot of people are posting. Look, this post got 1,146, 2,372, 5,000. The more likes you get, this one's got 12.6k. So look at the trend. What's people are viewing? The views are mad. Now, if we just click on one of them, we could look at it's got 1,413 likes. This is good. So out of that 1,000, if you just get 10 people to click on your link, and if that 10 people, from that 10 people you get 5 people, you're still making money, right? You're still getting paid. Now that's your job. Your next job is just to promote and create good content. You can get this content free. If you get it from YouTube, make sure you mention the YouTube channel that you got it from. Okay.